Let's talk about nonconformities being managed in LabMODO, which includes lots of things like deviations or some other issue that went on. So basically, you're going to go into your compliance actions and you're going to add all the information that's necessary for leadership to have a complete understanding of the situation. Title it, description, who identified it, when they identified it, the source of where it came from, whether or not it impacts results, whether or not it impacts the customer or regulatory impact. Has work been stopped, yes or no? Did you control it from having a bigger impact than it should? Your suspected root cause. Add any documentations that you need to, and then you're going to create and or submit, if it's complete, the nonconformity for review by the leadership and admin team. When it's in review and submitted to the leadership team, you're going to have it here. They're going to be able to see all the information. You're going to be able to make any changes that you need to, add any additional documents that you need to, and then you're going to elect the final impact. No impact, internal, customer, or regulatory. And if it is customer impact, you're going to have to determine if a notification is required. If it is required, this is going to stay open until that notification is marked as complete and documented with notes what happened. Once, we'll say this one doesn't require customer notification, you're going to complete it. And the question that's going to come up is you have to make a determination of if a CAPA is required for this nonconformity to be closed. If it is not, you're going to have to give reasons and why it doesn't require that. That's going to be documented. If it does, there's a couple options. One, you can create a new CAPA and include your target completion date. If a CAPA already exists for this, because somebody's already working on it, you can link it to your open CAPAs that are within your lab. You can't link it to a closed one right now because that would prove that the CAPA didn't work in the first place. Once you do that, you're going to complete and close. Everything is going to be captured, documented, and kept in a way that is aligned with the requirements and standards set forth by ISO 17025.